Hello, my name is Craig Mertens. I'm the President and CEO of Digital Art Solutions. What I'd like to show you today is our Smart Monogramming System. So the Smart Monogramming System consists of 3,200 interactive monogram templates. So instead of using monogram fonts and typing them in and making manual adjustments, they're actually built as templates. So let me show you an example of what the catalogs look like. These are the full color printed catalogs that come with the Smart Monogramming System. This is volume 1. The monograms are created in multiple variations, so every template and every possible combination of border or graphics, whether it's two letters or 3 letters, is actually pre-constructed. So if you're using traditional monogram fonts, a good example here, you would type in the font, you'd have a special character, usually lowercase for the left or uppercase for the right, and then you'd have a keyboard shortcut for the middle letter, because they're different shapes. You don't have to do that with Smart Monograms, they're pre-built, they're templates. So what you would do is you'd work with your client and they would select their template. We also have digital versions of these catalogs on our website, so your customers can go through those and pick out their monogram. And then you can use our Smart Designer software to make the adjustments. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shift over here to the screen and you can see how that works. So I'm gonna create a quickie little monogram. I'm going to open up a new document. I'm inside of CorelDRAW X7 or CorelDRAW X8, and this is our Smart Designer software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Select Template in our CorelDRAW add-on software Smart Designer, and the templates browser is going to open up, and then I'd go down to my monogram category. So I go down here to monograms. I'd select the volume. I would pick the style, whether I want it to be in one color or multicolor. And then I would just go in here, and when I pick it out, I would just select exactly the one I want to use. So we'll go down here to Smart Monograms 2, and I'll pick the heart, and then we'll just do the 3-color, or 2-color in the heart monogram. So to make this monogram, all I have to do is just double click on the monogram. The monogram opens up. We have a little editing window here at the side. We just go over here and select the text. So I'd say I'd like to change that to an H. I'd like to change that to an R. I'd like to change that to a W, and it's going to automatically make those adjustments. Then I can select on these and I can nudge them over if I want to set them up. If I want to combine this into one color, I can do that as well. And at this point, we're ready to go to production. So this can be output to a laser engraver if we're going to laser engrave, like say etch onto a Yeti cup. If we're going to do pressure sensitive glitter vinyl and make a sticker for any kind of like a window sticker, or if we want to put it onto some drinkware, we can convert these into a rhinestone pattern and create an interactive rhinestone stencil. We can go in and do a combination of glitter vinyl, heat press vinyl. We even have clients that are doing monograms for stickers on mailboxes, vehicles, t-shirts, the whole gamut. So it's a really super easy way to get into the monogramming business. Now I'll show you some representative examples of some of the things that we've done. These are some samples. These are all multi-decoration. So here's a multi-decoration sample with the keepsake monogram, and that has brushed metal rhinestones in it. Here's what we call a knockout design, using glitter vinyl and thermoflex heat press material, and then we have the monogram built right in here. Here's an example of athletic tail with a monogram, so you can do a whole softball team, and then you can do the customized monogram for every girl on the team if you'd like. Here's another example, just a simple little pocket design using rhinestones and a metallic film. And then here's just a simple little rhinestone design using our circle monogram design. So one of the other things that we can do is we can convert these into embroidery. And the way that we convert them into embroidery is we use our drawings vector to stitch conversion software. So let me show you an example here on the screen of what one of the monograms looks like in embroidery. So all we did was take the file from CorelDRAW and just drag and drop it into the software. I can go over here and just ungroup it. If I want, I can change the stitch type. If I want to make that a satin stitch, however I want to do it. I've got complete flexibility. If I resize this, one of the neat things about it is if I resize it, the embroidery changes dynamically. So this is a module for converting vector artwork to embroidery applique. It's great for monogramming. It's very inexpensive, and it's the perfect complement to our Smart Monogramming System. So the bottom line here is this. We've made monogramming as easy as possible. It's an extremely profitable venture to get into. It's quite easy when you have pre-built monogram templates. It's very flexible across a very wide variety of products, and it's very affordable. And the best part is the return on investment. With a couple orders of, you do a school group or a team, a couple orders, you've paid for the whole initial investment. And the best part is The same software you're using to do the monogram is also doing direct-to-garment printing. It's doing sublimation, rhinestone multi-decoration, glitter vinyl, heat press vinyl, making signs and banners and wide format digital printing, print and cut, all under one roof. So the monogramming is just a module for our Smart Designer add-on software for CorelDRAW. So if you need more information on our monogramming system or any of our other products, you can visit us at www.digitalartsolutions.com. One other thing, I'd like to invite you to come and attend our free weekly webcasts. If you go to our webpage, click on our resources page, you can register for free. We do webcast training 3 times a week across an entirely broad spectrum of different subject matter, and it's free. And if you can't attend the live event, register anyways, and you can watch the recordings.